playing with him.
Kobe, this is so mean but so funny at the same time.
Why? Why is it mean?
Because you're tricking him.
Why? Why?
Oh gosh.
Why?
Wait a second. Another thing Liam loves is when I videotape him.
We did that yesterday. Oh, he pushed start.
Wait. Push start. No, the red button. The red button.
Push the red button. Liam, can you sing a song? Can you sing Jingle Bells?
It's a bow, it's a bow, it's not only